Our smart house name,
Pet house. So, in our smart house, we have 10 appliances. First are the sensors. The smoke detector, the buzzer, the PM 2.5 sensor, the LDR, which is basically a light sensor, our servo motor, which helps open and close the door, our moisture detector, and our pump. Over here, there's the water level detector and the LED. LED is a light.
as you can see here, we have our electrical box, which includes everything that runs all the stuff over there. So beginning our tour, we start with this little device over here. It is the board that runs everything. It's basically, putting in simple terms, the brains of the operation. The name of the board is the ESP32, and it is compatible with Wi-Fi and with the Arduino IDE, which we will show later. This is a relay, which, simply put, is the on and off switch for simple devices such as the fan and the water pump. This is our transformer, which transforms, as you can see, the wall plug, or 220 volts AC, to the 5 volts DC that we need to run all of that. After that, we have our code. As you can see, the code is run in the Arduino IDE and it is programmed in the C++. We added some lines of code here that we needed to download, because actually this is for the Arduino board, but as I mentioned earlier, this is the ESP32 board. So to make so that the ESP32 can be used with the Arduino IDE, you have to download another software to make sure that it works. And also here we have our dashboard, which, as you can see, controls everything that I had mentioned earlier. We have the gauges and we have the switches that turn things off and on and show the level of these things.
Okay, so everything that Gaby said so far was in manual mode, which on the dashboard is 2 modes, auto and manual. On auto mode, we have 3 things that work together. First is our LDR, which is the light sensor, as you may remember, and the LED. If the LDR senses that there is low light, as if it's nighttime, it will automatically tell the LED to turn on. Now, if the moisture detector detects that there is low moisture, like maybe on a drought, or maybe if your garden is dry, it will tell the water pump to pump water to the place where it's dry. And our third one is the smoke detector, which is probably the most important. If the smoke detector detects any smoke, it will alarm the buzzer to turn on.
Alright, now that we've explained everything, we will give a short demonstration in manual mode first. Okay, if you will pay your attention over to the house, I will be turning on the water pump. It's a little bit hard to see, so you guys can get closer over there. Over there, you can see it. And on.
Oh wow, look, it's spraying water!
That's the point. And off. If you pay your attention over here to this room, then you'll see the LED turn on and off. And as you will hear, the buzzer turning on and off. And if you look at the door will now open and close with the servo motor.
Whoa! Look at
And
that!
now for the final one that makes a lot of noise and sounds like a helicopter, the fan.
Watch out, watch out.
It's not working.
Press it.
Oh well, the fan's not working. Okay, now for demonstration in auto mode. Okay. Now the house is on auto mode where all the things should be done by themselves. As you can see, the LED is off because the light sensor detects that there is high light because we are in daytime. But if I put my finger over it, come on, I don't think my finger's enough. Huh?
Oh, there you
you
go, Gabe.
Little lag there, but that's okay. As you can see, the light is on now that my finger is over the sensor. But when I take it off, wait, it's lagging.
Maybe it's stuck.
It's stuck.
Maybe.
Oh well. We also have the water pump, which if we take the moisture sensor out of the water, the pump should turn on.
Hey.
Oh, that's not working either. Oh, there you go. It's working. And when you put it back in, it should turn off. There, see? Turn on. Turn off. Alright, not working.
Oh, the door's moving. You can water the plant.
Yeah, with this you can water the plants. See, when it's not wet, when it's dry, it will turn on. When it's wet, it should turn on. Okay. Now for the last one, in the smoke detector. For the final demonstration, we use fire.
Maybe a little bit later, but I
Fire, guys. As you can see, the smoke detector detects the smoke. And now it is smoking. Okay. Okay. That is the presentation of our smart house. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Yeah.